Nothing, nothing. We don't talk about nothing no more. Nothing, nothing. We don't talk about nothing no more.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Sunday reset routine. Today we're going to be focusing a lot on the kids' room and their bathroom because they've been sick this week, and now that everybody is better, I'm going to be washing their bedding, disinfecting, and giving their bathroom a really good deep clean, along with some other things that I need to do around the house. Also going to be taking down my fall/Halloween decor and putting that away, and taking out my Christmas decor so I can look through it to make sure I have everything that I need to decorate for next week's video.
Say something, something, 'cause we don't talk about nothing no more. No, nothing, nothing. Do you not care about nothing no more? Is it worth you fighting? Do you even want it? Do you feel you need this?
So in the kids' room, I'm gonna take every piece of their bedding and wash it today. A lot of times I'll just skip their comforter and just wash their sheets weekly, but this time I'm washing everything since they've been sick, and I typically like to wait till they get better to wash their bedding so they have nice fresh clean sheets. So let's go ahead and get the bedding downstairs to the washing machine so that we can move on to something else.
Are you the same? Yeah. Are you the same? Yeah. I'm an old school man. I only wanna fall in love once with an old school girl. Old school girl, old school girl. When I know, I'll know. Hand in hand like left, right, left. Right, Bonnie and Clyde. You can have whatever you like when it's you and I.
So this is one of my favorite Clorox products. It's a fabric sanitizer, and I love this stuff because you can literally spray it on anything that you can't easily throw in the washing machine. So I like to spray it on couches, on accent pillows, your mattress. So I'm using this to spray all over their pillow and all of their accent pillows and their mattress. They do have a mattress protector up there right now, so it looks a little funny, but yeah, I'm spraying it everywhere just to sanitize everything since they've been sick.
Can we get comfortable? I don't really like going out. It makes me uncomfortable. Comfortable, yeah.
So the furniture in their room is a little off center because I've been thinking about Christmas and I'm trying to figure out if I should put their tree in their room this year or not. So I went ahead and pulled that unit closer to their bed to see if I had enough space where those stuffed animals are sitting. And I think I do. I just don't know if it will be too cluttered. Their Christmas tree is pretty small anyway, and they have one in their room every year, but in this house their room is a lot smaller than their previous bedroom, so we'll see what we end up doing. So right now I'm just taking some Clorox wipes and I'm just going to wipe down surfaces, doorknobs, light switches, and just anything that has been constantly touched by the kids while they were sick. One thing I always do after anybody in the house has been sick is I open up the windows to get some fresh air flowing in the room. And since I was over here anyway, I noticed that there was a lot of dirt and debris from when we put their blinds up in their room. So I'm just gonna vacuum that up really quick. And then later on, off camera, I noticed that I needed to wipe it. So I went back and I wiped it with a Clorox wipe. Moving on to their bathroom, this one is always pretty easy to me because their bathroom isn't big at all, so I can deep clean this bathroom pretty fast. All the products I'm going to be using this time around are going to be either antibacterial, something that kills germs because they've been sick and I need antibacterial, especially in the bathrooms. So the product I'm going to be using on this area is the Method antibacterial bathroom cleaner. This one is in the spearmint scent and it smells a little bit like toothpaste, but not in a bad way. It's really refreshing. It doesn't linger that long, so I'm going to be spraying that all over the place. So I cleaned their toilet yesterday because it was definitely disgusting. So I scrubbed that thing from top to bottom so it's still nice and squeaky clean. We're going to be moving on to their bathtub. I'm going to be using scrubbing bubbles all over.
Don't have to do anything. The scent of skin is strong enough. Huddle a little bit closer, babe. Let's see if I can warm you up. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Huddle, babe, snuggle, baby. Huddle, babe, snuggle. Snuggle, baby. Just wait.
So I normally do at least one load a day, but when I do bedding, sometimes I'll still throw in a big load of laundry if I need to. So I'm going to be throwing in some laundry because ours is starting to pile up. So I'm going to separate them, darks, colors, and whites, and I always just see which one is the largest, and that's the load I usually end up going with. So I went with the colors because that was the largest pile. So I went downstairs, put that in the washing machine, and the kids' bedding was already dried. So I'm gonna be putting that on now.
Eternity is in your smile. Huddle, babe, snuggle, babe. Huddle, babe, snuggle, babe. Just wait. Let me drive you crazy.
This is the last thing I'm going to be filming today. I'm going to pick back up the next day, but I'm just putting away some clean dishes in my kitchen and just going to tidy up a little bit, and then we're going to pick up tomorrow. I know I said we were going to pick up on the next day, but it's actually been a couple days now, and I'm finally going to be taking down my fall and Halloween decor. I definitely don't have a lot of fall and Halloween things around the house, but I'm going to do like how I always do when I take down any kind of decor or seasonal decor. I like to lay everything out on a countertop or a table so that I can properly categorize it when I'm putting it back in the totes.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside.
So there is a huge difference in the weather moving from Texas here to Tennessee. We are closer to the mountains, so there's a lot more greenery, a lot more leaves, and it definitely feels like fall here, and we are loving it. I'm gonna try to put some footage up so you guys can kind of see like what I see in my backyard. It's 100 degrees in Texas until like January, so it's harder to feel those fall and winter vibes when you're trying to decorate or when you definitely want to decorate. But here I definitely feel the fall and winter vibes already, and I know we're going to be using our fireplace, so I'm going to take these rocks that came with our fireplace and spread them around. We're going to move on to taking out all of my Christmas bins and my new Christmas tree. definitely fun and exciting decorating in a new house for Christmas, and it almost makes you want to change the vibe sometimes. So I think that's what I'm going to be doing this Christmas. Last year and the year before and even the year before that, everything was white and flocked, and I had a lot of golds and blacks. This time I'm gonna change it up just a little bit. I'm gonna go through all of my bins first to kind of just pick and choose what I want to use this year. I might run to the store to get a few new things. You guys will see all of my new Christmas decor in next week's video when I start decorating. This year I'm going to be going with this natural looking green Christmas tree. Pretty sparse, but I really like it. So I'm going to be putting that up. I still love my flocked Christmas trees. Actually, I'm going to be putting my 9-foot flocked tree in the office by the front door because I love it so much. I just feel like it won't look right next to the green Christmas tree, so I'm going to be separating them this year, and I can't wait to start decorating it and showing you guys all of my new Christmas decor. Once the tree is all set up, all I need to do is fluff out the branches and separate it so it'll look a little bit more full because it is brand new, so they're all laying pretty flat right now. Be sure to hit that notification bell so you won't miss the next video if you want to see the look that I'm going for this year. And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.